Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just once again had a live session where I've been trading binary option. You can basically copy the trades I'm doing together with me and make money together with me. But before you want to join this, you need to use the same broker I am using. Or if you're using this broker from before, a good idea, just close it down and open again so you can take advantage of the promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. So for that, use the link you see up here right now and sign up with this broker, and below the video you find also the link, plus you'll find the promo code that give you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. So other than that, make sure you check out my WhatsApp link and Telegram. Up to you what you prefer. I always post every single live session there, so you have good time to enter and you can trade together with me. So make sure you join my WhatsApp and Telegram. Also, make sure you spread this, because more people I can get to join this session, more fun it is for me. So make sure you like this video, you help me out by doing so, and subscribe my channel, turn on this bell notification so you never lose one live session or a video like this. Okay? Also, if you have any question, just put questions below in the comment field. And you also help me out just by making a question also. So even does not mean to be that you have a question, but you help me out so the video is spread out more. Because more people I get in my live sessions, longer sessions I will do and more money you can make together with me. So help me out. Now let's take a little look on the trades we did today. So you can see all these trades we did. Basically we did turn $1,158 profit, and that is from $100 trades. I also did only $100 trades today. So if this is something you have interest about, basically if you have interest about making money, a simple way that this can basically be your new job and you can start to print money together with me, if that's something you want, okay, then make sure you join this broker, join me in WhatsApp and Telegram, and you can trade together with me. I am the only YouTuber that trade live every single day, more than 1 hour with binary option. You will not find any other YouTuber that can do that for you and provide it for free so you can follow the trades and make money together. You will not find that. You'll find many that make these super crazy claims where they are making accounts from $1 to 1 million, whatever. It's just bullshit. They are clipping it together so they're winning, and they are making the bids higher and higher and they win every single trade. Is bullshit. I don't win every single trade, but I'm doing good for myself. So if you want a real YouTuber that do this live, that you can follow and you don't need to learn anything, you just follow what I'm doing, then this is the channel for you. This is the videos for you. I am the one for you. Okay? So I really hope I see you tomorrow, and have an amazing day.